Another perfect day on the reef! Keep those tires shiny, team! Ha! You can't stop the Crusher Cuddle! Squeak!
Report to HQ. Something feels bubbly.
Blue streak activated! Gotta go fast to the briefing! Rest in peace, old kelp. Now, rise and shine. New life. Party foul! Sorry, that confetti was for later! Whoa! That's not a regular ink squid cloud. That's a paint cloud!
The reef is mine.
Feel the fury of the mud spiral!
Giant whirlpool! We need a BIG anchor!
Crusher, get ready. We need to anchor the Reefle's heart.
Team, protect the main coral spire! It's the final anchor!
My garden of defense, it shall hold, maybe. Taste my venom! It's super glue for mud! Mere smudge! Now you face the true tornado spin! Our love is the strongest chain. Pull, Coral Queen, pull!
Don't let go. We are the final anchor.
Whee! Not the party I planned, but okay! Glitter time! Gotta get closer! Too much bounce!
Look into the light! It's the law of distraction! Anchor set! Hold tight, Reef! Foolish cars! Your anchor is a mere pebble to the Tsunami King!
The chain! It's stretching! We can't hold this force! Ah!
Never give up! Never surrender the Gigatoe!
No! They've been ripped apart! Watch the paint, man! That's gonna leave a ding!
I'm still connected! I won't let the reef down!
Hold on, Coral Queen! My speed shield has maximum bounce! What? Where did you come from, little mud ghost? Can't focus when the party is this loud! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Teamwork! Freeze the paint before he can spin it!
Ouch! That was mildly sparkly. Still hurts. Time for a heavy bounce. Maximum power. Crusher smash! Audio is dominated by a high-pitched electric whine that intensifies into a dramatic...
Well, this is an awfully bright tomb.
I won't stop! Break Break the cage! Break the spiral!
Keep going, Coral Queen! It's weakening the energy field!
One last charge. For the reef! Now, Crusher!
Hit it with everything!
Freedom! That's the power of bounce and guts!
Group hug of destruction!
My spin! It's wobbly! Stop the bounce! Ah!
No more mud sucking for you! Consider your vacuum broken!
Be not engaged! This is a secure wrap, King! My surprise party! They bite! But gently.
Ew! Get off my white walls, you creepy little nibblers! This venom slows down everything! Even evil!
My perfect spin! My geometry! It's all flat!
This is an official citation for disturbing the reef!
The anchor holds! He's slowing down! P-U-L! A spike surprise! Have some fire bubbles! My chompers! They're sticky! I can't MUD swirl!
Spiral is broken! Victory! And a cleanup job!
We did it, Crusher! The reef them safe! Now, lug time!
I just wanted to spin and make a mess. Is that so wrong? No hard feelings, King. But next time, just use a mop. See, Tsunami King? Everyone loves a good scrub and a shine.
From now on, this chain is made of super spring steel and true love.
High-speed drying. Gotta get that coral squeaky clean.
Order is restored. Now for the perfect somber glow.
If you make a mess, you gotta clean a mess. But make it fun.
Venom and vigilance. That's how a hero stays shiny.
Suck the bad, release the good. I'm a reverse villain. Structure A-OK. Thanks to the Queen and Crusher, it's stronger now.
Reef's healing power activated. Glow, little corals, glow.
I love big bubbles. They are the best kind of bounce target. Just take me to the timeout tide pool. Just practicing. Gotta keep the chase skills sharp. Say cheese and coral.
The reef is celebrating. Look at that rainbow shield.
Victory donut. Max bounce and fun.
Welcome, little friend. Rest in peace and shade. Best adventure ever. Especially the part where we didn't break the reef. Surprise! Free glitter for everyone! Sorry, Sting. Leaving my mark. A happy mark for once. For all of us. You're the best citizens a chief could ask. Hooray for the final anchor hero.
Until the next storm, my friends. Sleep well, beautiful reef.
Night check complete. All quiet and sparkly. Ready for our super bouncy, love-powered nap, Queen? Faster! Gotta go faster!
Sweet dreams, little garden guardian.
Scorpion Sting is still polishing. Standard operating procedure. Don't worry, Chief. I'm a lantern for the night shift. Nothing but the good glow of the reef. Perfect peace.
Wait a minute! That's not a star sparkle! Looks like we have a late night visitor.
And they are not from the reef. Wow! Did someone say new fight? Shark car! But something's different. He looks angrier. The anchor must fall. Ocean Predator, command! Code red. Shark car is going rogue. Activate deep sleep protocol.
Protocol received! Protecting the anchor! Crusher, on me!
Deep sleep protocol means maximum crush power. Let's go!
My chains! They're a bow tie! So cute! Morning glitter! Sorry, I mean evening glitter.
No time for party tricks. The reef is mine to dismantle.
This foam has maximum resistance. You shall not pass.
That, the power of recycled foam. Impressive bounce. But I'm not done. Time for the ocean drill. He's gonna drill the anchor. Blaze, distract the drill. Max speed distraction. Try drilling through my speed vortex. Seaweed snare. The oldest trick in the grave book. The weeds! They're slimy! Yuck! Double dose of mess. Take that, drill freak!
I can't see. My beautiful angry eyes.
This is for the reef and for breaking our chain. Bounce, smash.
Up, and away! Looks like his drill is done for the night.
The anchor is safe. The reef is safe. Again.
A bubble wreath. I love these tiny, thoughtful details.
No harm done, little weeds.
You serve the reef well. Follow the rainbow road back to bed, everyone! Guess it's back to our bouncy, love-powered nap, my queen. Gotta recharge the speed. See you all in the morning flash.
Good night, Reef. And stay sparkly.